Okay, welcome back, and I hope you've been able to follow easily so far. If not, please review the video. We'd like to get to the point, you should be at the point where you have the list columns created, which we're now going to go back into the list and populate. Okay, so from the list settings, I'm going to use the trail to go to the department tracker test list. I prefer to work in datasheet view when I'm initially populating data. You can use the add new item, of course, which will pull up the default SharePoint form. The limitation here is that obviously you're working with one row at a time, and mine's opening pretty slow. I guess a little issue here with connectivity. Bear with me. It opens the default SharePoint form, but with the issue with this technique for populating the data is that you're forced to do one entry at a time. So here I am. I can enter a title, which we said would be department. Let's try N1, personnel assigned, 34. The budget for this fiscal year, let's say it's 85,000. Okay, a lot of fun. Save that. And as you can see in our list, we now have the columns which we added to the list populated with that data. Another way to do this is just to go into datasheet view, accessible on the ribbon, by going to your list, then datasheet, and then this allows you to look at a familiar spreadsheet or datasheet view where you can quickly copy and paste numerous data fields. So I'm going to go ahead and create some additional. Okay. Okay. After you're done populating the data, you can go ahead and add as many rows as you'd like. For the sake of the video, I'm only going to utilize four departments, N1 through N4. Once you're done with the datasheet view, you can always go back to your standard view, and you'll see that all of the rows which we edited in datasheet view will be populated. Okay, here's what the finished list should look like with the data that we created populated. All right, on the next video, we'll be opening Visio and importing or creating a data connection to this list.